This is a Hardinge HLV-BK. The difference is a narrower bed. It's a later version, later machine in this configuration. It has quite a bit of tooling with it. Let's have a 3-jaw, 4-jaw chuck. We have some Collets. Some additional parts here. There's another 3-jaw chuck. Extra gears. Hardinge 4-position tool post. Drill chuck in the tailstock. Maintenance manual. Machine is working fine. One issue that it does have is the field in the power feed. The field that's in it is working. This is the original field, which is in good shape, but it does need 2 wires soldered and to be reinstalled. All these parts are included in the sale of the machine, but the machine is working functionally just as you see it right now. And we're going to start the machine up for you and you can hear it run. The background noise is the phase converter.